Welcome back to part 2 of our dining room light unboxing and installation. Let's just say the unboxing with our crappy kitchen scissors was the easy part. We really wanted this organic modern fixture to contrast the vintage table we found at an estate sale.
The only issue is that our old light fixture used to loop down and over farther, and this one's a little too short, but we're gonna figure that out.
And one thing about us is we always do figure it out. Off to Lowe's we went to search for some way to fix our problem. We thought about just replacing the cord itself to make it longer, but opted to get this whole entire replacement pendant light thingy. So now the top part of our pendant is black, and we actually love how it turned out. Oh, and after we got it hung, it wouldn't work. Turns out they sent us a faulty light bulb. Never doubted ourselves for 1 second.